everyone. We are going to make gingerbread donuts with our Pampered Chef tools for kids. We even brought Forky. Hi!
It's a spoon and it's Forky.
Let's get started. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Done. First, we need to do our mix.
Yeah, we need to do our mix.
We're gonna take our mix and we're gonna mix it up. So first, we gotta cut this open. Hold this for me, will you?
And then we cut the bag open.
Gotta cut the bag open.
And then we pour it into the jar. And pour it into the bowl. That is the first step. So what's next? I am going to whisk. I'm going to whisk it up so there's no lumps. Whisk it up.
Good job.
Whisk it up.
Good job. Oh, ow. Did not feel good.
This is the second step. Whisking.
Now, the next step is we pour the water. Can you pour the water?
Woohoo! Pour in the water. Next step. Crack the egg.
There we go. Oh, we crack it in there, so just in case we get shells, we can scoop them back out.
Pour the eggs. It is a food.
Mix up your batter.
Mix up the batter, though. If you don't mix it up, you'll mess up your donuts.
All right, Elliot.
We now made our brown gingerbread batter now. So what's the next step?
Because we're using a Pampered Chef pan, we don't have to grease it up. We just put our batter in there about halfway. Okay. Okay, I gotta come.
Okay. Bimbo, bimbo.
That looks pretty good. All right, pop them in the oven. 6 to 7 to 10 minutes maybe? We don't know, until they're golden brown.
We are making frosting. Vanilla frosting.
We're gonna dip them.
Dip them. You'll find a very, very sweet flavor.
All right.
Now we just, I'll do it.
So we've got regular frosting, half and half.
What's this?
This is our frosting, okay? Ready? All right, half of it in here.
It's really good.
And then let's add some cream and whisk it up.
Whisk it up, Buck.
We're gonna add a little bit more cream. We wanna make sure we can dip our donuts in the glaze. So we don't want it too thick. That looks perfect. Let's check our donuts. All right, they're dry to the touch, so that means they're ready. Took about 8 minutes.
Not ready yet. Oh, good idea, Mom.
Thanks, bub.
Yes. We are done with our donuts, but we still need to dip them in the frosting.
So the cake batter did work, but they're a little bit soft. Pampered Chef has got some really great donut recipes, but since we're not leaving the house right now with all the virus stuff going around, we're just using what we have. So we'll post the Pampered Chef recipes too. It's a dirty job. Somebody's gonna do it.
Last night I had a dream about you. In this dream I'm dancing right beside you, and it looked like everyone was having fun. The kind of feeling I waited
Elliot. Hey. Elliot, give us a review of your donuts. What do you think about these donuts? Would you make them again?
I like my